dear participants. A very good morning to you all. On behalf of Faculty of Engineering and Technology, I welcome you all to this Atal AICT sponsored faculty development program on computational techniques in engineering. Let me give you an overview of the Faculty of Engineering and Technology. Basically, this Faculty of Engineering and Technology, which is being of which I am the Dean Faculty, is comprising of 4 units. The first unit is the Zakir Hussain College of Engineering and Technology, which is being headed by, as a principal, by Professor Mirza Sufyan Beg, who is today's resource person as well. And then the principal, the University Polytechnic, which is being headed by Professor Arshad Umar, who is the principal of this Polytechnic, and University Women's Polytechnic, which is being headed by Professor Salma Shaheen, who is the principal of this. And then it has got another component, that is the Community College, which offers vocational courses, and this is being headed by again our principal of University Polytechnic, Professor Arshad Umar. The University Polytechnic was established in the year 1937, and since then it has been imparting quality education to the students at diploma level. Besides this, the college, the Polytechnic also boasts of having large number of very qualified faculty. In fact, nowhere else I have found in Polytechnic such a qualified faculty. And the theme, as far as this is concerned, is a very timely theme, and it is basically the government of India is contemplating many projects in country for promoting engineering and manufacturing ventures to meet increased demands in the domestic and industrial sector. Therefore, there is a need for training the faculty and researchers in the country to solve various issues and problems related to engineering. Computational techniques are mathematical models used to numerically study the behavior of complex systems by means of a computer simulation. A system by means of a computational model can be used to make predictions of the system's behavior under different conditions, often for cases in which intuitive analytical solutions are not available. During the last decades, across all fields of engineering science, the evolution of complex systems in design and manufacturing processes has progressed along with development of computational methods that can treat more and more complex design and simulation problems. Many design and manufacturing processes are now tackled using computational methods that aim at improvement in manufacturing performance. The development of increasingly sophisticated computational methods and the improvement in computer performance represents an engineering issue from both an industry and an academic viewpoint. Nowadays, a lot of research activities in the field of design and manufacturing processes have been accomplished, and there are a wide range of applications where computational techniques are used. Computational models are now used routinely in virtually all fields of science and engineering to better understand systems and phenomena as large as the universe or as small as the tiniest microelectronic circuits and nanomaterials. Computation is essentially in critical applications with great societal impact, such as sustainable growth of cities, design of power-efficient buildings and aircraft, and the creation of novel biomedical devices, effective drugs, and efficient healthcare delivery systems, to mention a few. I've been told by the organizing committee that there are around 150 participants from all across the country, and there are expert resource persons from our country and abroad. I strongly encourage all participants to make the most of this opportunity and to take the time to connect, collaborate, and communicate with fellow attendees, to share ideas which in turn have the potential to become extraordinary technological innovations for the benefit of humanity. The organizing committee has gone to great lengths to plan a memorable event and to ensure the presentations and content meet a high technical standard. I congratulate them. In the end, I wish you an enjoyable, memorable, and productive time here at this FDP, and look forward to the partnerships that result from your networking and discussions. I would have personally liked to have you over here physically also, but due to the pandemic situation going on, and still we have got more number of cases coming now, it is not become possible to hold the offline FDP program, unfortunately. But anyway, this will again prove out to be, I'm confident this is going to be proving out to be a very beneficial activity, and the kind of faculty associated with it will leave you with a very deep mark of knowledge within you. Thank you very much. Thanks everybody, and wish you a very memorable FDP program at University Polytechnic.
Thank you very much, sir, for your inspiring words of wisdom, and also for highlighting the government's endeavor and the need for trained faculty for fulfilling these endeavors. You have always promoted these kind of academic activities. We are thankful to you. Now I request Professor Arshad Umar, Principal University Polytechnic, to kindly address the participants.
Thank you, Dr. Imran Shafiq. Our chief guest, Professor Parvez Mustajab, Dean Faculty of Engineering and Technology, Professor M.M. Safian Beg, Principal, Judge College of Engineering and Technology, and the first resource person, Coordinator FDP, Dr. Syed Imran Shafiq, all the other resource persons, faculty members, and my dear participants, Assalamu alaikum, and a very good morning to you all. On behalf of University Polytechnic, it is my pleasure to welcome all the participants from all over the country for the Atal AICTE sponsored faculty development program on computational techniques in engineering. I also welcome all the eminent speakers who will be sharing their knowledge and vast experience with the participants. I am highly grateful to our chief guest, Professor Parvez Mustajab Sahab, who has taken out time from his busy schedule to grace the function. I am sure his presence will motivate both the participants and the organizing team. This faculty development program is conducted on a digital platform in line with the social distancing norms due to COVID-19 pandemic, although we would have loved to hold it in offline mode and would like to meet everyone in person. The theme of this FDP is vital for engineering faculty, research scholars, and PG students. Computational techniques refer to the design, development, and application of computational systems for solving physical problems encountered during the study of science and engineering. These computational systems are used to obtain solutions of mathematical models that represent some physical process through algorithms, software, and other methods. Computational techniques has emerged as a fast-growing multidisciplinary area with connections to engineering, mathematics, computer science, as well as other sciences. Computation is today regarded as an essential tool needed for the advancement of scientific knowledge and engineering practice, in addition to the already existing tools of the theoretical analysis and physical experimentation. Simulation techniques allow scientists to easily study complex natural phenomena and processes which would otherwise be very difficult, dangerous, or even impossible. The need for greater accuracy and detail in such simulations has created the need for faster and more efficient computer algorithms and architectures. It is because of these advancements that scientists and engineers can solve highly complex problems that were once thought to be unsolvable. There is hardly any area of engineering or science that does not use computers for modeling, Some examples of the usage of computers for modeling are calculations of trajectories for satellites and space probes, verification of the structural integrity of vehicles, buildings, dams, etc., designing computer circuits and VLSI layouts for building new computers, simulation, design, and control of nuclear weapons, weather forecasting, and many more. The crux of this FDP will be to facilitate the participants the use of computational techniques in engineering domains and come up with innovative solutions and discoveries. I hope this program will not only be beneficial to the participants, but it will also be an enjoyable experience to them. I extend my best wishes and support for the great success of this faculty development program. In the end, I would like to thank the organizing committee for putting in all the hard work and making this program a success. Thank you.
Thank you very much, sir, for enlightening us on the use of computational techniques in engineering and also encouraging the researchers for innovation and discoveries. We can't thank you enough, sir, for the support that you have given to conduct this program. Thank you very much. Now I request Mr. Afsar Hussain, co-coordinator of this FDP, to kindly propose the vote of thanks.
Assalamu alaikum. To everyone present here. It is a pleasure for me to deliver a vote of thanks on behalf of organizing committee to all the dignitaries present here. Honorable Chief Guest, Professor Parvez Mustajab, Dean Faculty of Engineering and Technology, respected Professor Arshad Umar, Principal University Polytechnic, for providing immense support to make this event possible. I would like to express my gratitude to all the esteemed speakers of this program for their presence. I extend a warm welcome to all the participants. I must also thank the organizing team member and advisory team member for their valuable suggestions and volunteer for working hard for the past few days. Thank you everyone once again for their presence and making it a great success. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Afsar. Now we have, now in the end, we will play our university Tarana, followed by national anthem. And as a token of respect, I will request everyone to please stand up when the national anthem is played.
फितरत ने सिखाई है हमको उस्ताद यहाँ परवाज़ यहाँ गाए हैं वफा के गीत यहाँ छेड़ा है जुनून का साज यहाँ गाए हैं वफा के गीत यहाँ छेड़ा है जुनून का साज यहाँ मेरा चमन है मेरा चमन मैं अपने चमन का बुलबुल हूँ इस बज़्म में तेरे खींची है इस बज़्म में सावर तोड़े हैं इस बज़्म में आँख बिछाई है इस बज़्म में दिल तक जोड़े हैं हर शाम है शामे मिस्र यहाँ हर शब है शबे शिराज यहाँ हर शाम है शामे मिस्र यहाँ हर शब है शबे शिराज यहाँ है सारे जहाँ का सोज यहाँ और सारे जहाँ का साथ यहाँ ज़र्रात का बोसा लेने को सौ बार झुका आकाश यहाँ ज़र्रात का बोसा लेने को सौ बार झुका आकाश यहाँ खुद आँख से हमने देखी है बादल की शिकस्त फाश यहाँ खुद आँख से हमने देखी है बादल की शिकस्त फाश यहाँ ये मेरा चमन है मेरा चमन मैं अपने चमन का बुलबुल हूँ ये मेरा चमन ये मेरा चमन ये मेरा चमन है मेरा चमन मैं अपने चमन का बुलबुल हूँ जो अब यहाँ से उठेगा वो सारे जहाँ पर बरसेगा हर झूठे वहाँ पर बरसेगा हर कोई गिरा पर बरसेगा हर सर्व समन पर बरसेगा हर दस्त दमन पर बरसेगा खुद अपने चमन पर बरसेगा गैरों के चमन पर बरसेगा हर शहर तरफ पर गरजेगा हर कचरे तरफ पर खड़केगा ये अब्र हमेशा बरसा है ये अब्र हमेशा बरसेगा ये अब्र हमेशा बरसा है ये अब्र हमेशा बरसेगा ये अब्र हमेशा बरसा है ये अब्र हमेशा बरसेगा 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 जन गण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे